In this video, we're headed to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge to ride the all-new Rise of the Resistance. On my recent week-long trip to Walt Disney World, I was able to ride this amazing attraction a couple of times. So throughout this video, I will change camera angles a couple times just to make sure you're getting the best view possible. And now let's dive into the attraction.
Your first minute is how many?
2.
Sure, right over here. Oh, don't be scared. No need to be scared. Sounds good. Step right in, recruits. Step right in, everybody.
BB-8, prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Makara.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Oh, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety clearing at this time. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Makara.
Fire up! Crazy Bot, here for a launch. This transport is all yours.
Makara personnel, this is your final call to board. I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure. All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are high. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed of mile 1.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
Get there. One minute.
Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little Twig, get there.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
5. Midshipmen and contacts are now under the direct control of the First Order and all persons subject to interrogation. Off the ship now.
I'm not a big Star Wars fan, but I am right now.
Everyone follow me.
Two.
Pretty well. How many? Red. How many? Blue. How many? Red. How many? Silver. Everyone remember your colors. Blue. Fall in. Red. Proceed. Silver. Follow them.
Prisoners are secure.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
It's a right over to the resistance. We're gonna break you up. Blue and orange to your right. Blue and red to your left. Silver and orange to your right.
Get me after the recruits.
Go see what's go from
You
left
still
to
here?
right, from
Who
coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now.
Lieutenant Beck, we need to find a way.
Reportos, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
In the entire galaxy. His name is R5 and he's going to be the one to get you guys to safety. He learned all of the instructions to get you guys out of here 10 minutes ago, which is 9 minutes more than he actually needed, you know, because he's like that good.
Dang.
Alright, recruits, you believe in him?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah? Well, I believe in all of you guys. You got this. All the rest of the recruits didn't make it, so it's up to you.
Thank
May the
you.
force be with you.
Awesome.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, go to the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
There they are. Fire!
The escape pod's just below us.
Hurry!
No, not up. I said down.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm. All personnel to their stations.
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Personnel, abandon ship. Our team, abandon ship. This destroyer's about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Stafford's pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending.
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
It was amazing.
That was crazy.
It was so good. The cars just move on their own, they're trackless. And it was amazing, just very detailed.
So
And
expansive.
yeah, very, very good. So, very fun.